Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to deposit ZAR or South African Rand into Binance. All right, so first up, go ahead and open up your browser. Now go ahead and go to Binance.com. And then once you're in here, all you got to do is just click on deposit right here, or at the top right, you have here deposit as well. Okay, so just click on one option. Now in the currency section, just click on the drop down and find ZAR. Okay, here we have ZAR. So just click on it. You have three options right here. If you don't have the crypto asset or ZAR, well, you can go ahead and choose P2P trading or buy ZAR via bank transfer, card, and more. If you do have the crypto asset in your other trading platform, you can just go ahead and deposit it right here. Okay, let's say we need to buy directly from users right here. So I'm just going to click on this option and we'll be landed to the P2P section. Now, if you're from South Africa, you should be able to see a ton of options right here. If not, well, unfortunately, it won't work. Okay, if you click on deposit right here and you're from South Africa, you should be able to see a buy ZAR option, okay, or deposit ZAR. So just click on it, and if you do have a Capitec Pay account, that's the best one. You can go ahead and use that to fund your ZAR balance here in Binance. Now, if you do have, again, ZAR in your other crypto trading platform, you can just go ahead and deposit it right here. Also, you could go ahead over to deposit fiat, okay, left panel. Locate ZAR right here. Okay, again, I'm not from South Africa, so if you're from South Africa, you should be able to see it right here. So just locate ZAR, hit on continue, use bank transfer, hit on continue again, follow simple prompts, and once done, you should be good to go. That is it. That is how you deposit ZAR into Binance. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.